Welcome to Introduction to Transportation Asset Management for PACER Practitioners. I'm Terrence McNinch, co-founder of PublicWorksTraining.com. The modules in this section will start by explaining the concepts of transportation asset management and then give you an understanding of how those concepts apply to pavement management. Pavement management from the perspective of a county, city, town, or village. We'll look at pavement condition assessment and the various methods agencies use to categorize distress. Although we'll later focus on the PACER method in detail, it's good to know how the other methods work, because you'll find yourself explaining all this to your elected officials or the public more than once. Then it's basic data elements for local agency pavement management. The number of possible data elements are endless, but there are only a few that you really need to get started and make your pavement management efforts productive. Next, we'll cover building an inventory, collecting and storing data. I'll show you where to find the data that already exists, how to collect the data that doesn't, and how to store it all. Best of all, I'll explain how to have someone else do much of this for you. Then it's the language of pavement. We'll go over the terms and concepts everyone needs to know in order to carry out an intelligent conversation about pavement condition. Using the proper language, your agency's conversation about pavement condition will take on a new perspective, a perspective that the public can finally understand. We'll go through the mix of fixes and see the benefit gained by using a variety of cost-effective maintenance treatments, and learn why dependence on expensive reconstruction simply isn't sustainable. We'll go over the analysis and the output you can expect from using the spreadsheet analysis process provided with this training. The spreadsheets will get you everything you need to tell a really compelling story about your pavement condition and where it's going. And lastly, predicting future pavement condition, which includes 5 modules that cover some great techniques for getting a glimpse of what pavement condition could be like in the future. Techniques you can use right now. Then it's time to earn your certificate of completion. Once you complete all the TAM training modules, you'll have the opportunity to take the TAM quiz and the Mix of Fixes TAM challenge, where you apply what you've learned in a real-life scenario. Through this testing, you'll prove to yourself and your agency that you meet the standard to be a TAM PACER practitioner. The quizzes can be taken more than once, so if you don't pass on the first try, review the related training module again, then retake the quiz. Since you're working toward a certificate of completion, you need to view the modules in the order they're presented. This is also important because each successive module is built on what was presented in the previous modules. After you complete any module, you can refer back to it at any time.